This video will break down the changes MSD residents would see from the Florida Department of Transportation's proposed Solana intersection improvements. First, we will look at how traffic will enter the Ponte Vedra MSD onto Solana. This is pretty simple because the northbound A1A, southbound A1A, and eastbound Solana traffic will all follow the same lane patterns residents are using today. The only difference is improved efficiency, resulting in shorter peak hour backups. Eastbound Solana-A1A peak backup goes from 48 cars in line to 13 cars when returning to the MSD. Northbound A1A PM peak backup goes from 88 cars in line to 31 cars. Southbound A1A morning peak backup goes from 97 cars in line to 39 cars. Southbound A1A evening peak backup goes from 186 cars to 31 cars. That is a 155 car reduction for MSD residents in the PM peak line when returning home from JTB or Jax Beach. In summary, the proposed intersection improvements reduce southbound and northbound peak period backups 60%, and eastbound returns on Solana are reduced 80% for MSD residents. Let's now look at how we will exit the MSD headed northbound, southbound, and westbound in FDOT's proposed configuration. First, let's look at making a left heading south. The new intersection timing will significantly increase the left turn's green time, fully clearing the queue of cars making lefts onto A1A. Because cars going straight will no longer be in the left lane, and FDOT can significantly increase green time, the left lane backup will no longer block the higher volume of drivers wanting to go right on A1A. Cars making rights headed north on A1A, the volume movement exiting the MSD, will now only yield, then enter a separated third lane of A1A. The third lane makes it safer and quicker for MSD drivers headed north every trip. So, residents headed to JTB or Jax Beach will not wait for a break in A1A's heavy mainline traffic anymore. Cars will yield and merge into a dedicated lane with U-turners, then proceed north to merge with A1A mainline traffic upstream. By making the left lane left only, it allows the higher volume of northbound exiting cars to continue making rights onto A1A north without being blocked by the current intersection's chronic backup in the left/straight lane. This corrects a major frustration for residents. You can see in FDOT's simulation how the current pinch point is fixed and remains flowing for northbound and westbound MSD drivers. Now to westbound, the changed configuration. Traffic exiting the MSD continuing westbound on Solana will proceed north to a new U-turn signal, then back for a free-flowing right-hand turn onto Solana. In the AM peak, MSD drivers wait several cycles to cross A1A with the short green times for throughs and lefts. The new configuration will only require us to wait at one signal, the U-turn, which will operate more efficiently during AM and PM peak periods. During the AM and PM peaks, the Solana westbound through traffic's backup will be reduced from 23 cars to 6 cars. It is a different route, but it is faster for MSD residents to cross A1A using this configuration. FDOT's design combines this westbound through movement with the northbound lefts and direct them through the U-turn. This design allows FDOT to more effectively synchronize these 4 turning movements, increasing green light time dramatically for drivers entering and exiting the MSD. By allowing eastbound lefts, westbound throughs, and northbound left to flow through the synchronized intersections simultaneously, FDOT can give green time to the MSD's westbound lefts and much improved merging flow headed north. Today, the AM backup exiting the MSD is 23 cars. The new design is 6 cars. That means MSD residents will wait a quarter of the time in mornings. PM backups exiting will be reduced from 11 cars to 6, so MSD residents will see about half the congestion they see today in the evenings. I hope this has been informative for MSD residents. FDOT presented a complex design solution to improve Solana's operation. The Ponte Vedra Citizens Traffic Task Force would like to thank you for taking the time to educate yourself on this important issue. All the information provided in this video came directly from the FDOT's materials. Everyone is encouraged to check out all the information FDOT has provided. The Ponte Vedra Citizens Traffic Task Force would like to thank you for taking the time to educate yourself on this important issue. The CTTF was formed by St. Johns County's administration in 2014, and its members are appointed representatives from the Ponte Vedra Beach and Palm Valley's HOAs and community associations. The task force's role is to stay informed on local transportation issues, advocate for safety and congestion solutions, and communicate those issues back to our communities.